Why is duplicates or duplicate photos option not showing in my iPhone running iOS 16? That is the question which I will answer for you today. So, if you've just updated to iOS 16, you would know that there is a feature wherein you can find duplicates. Now, when I first installed iOS 16, this feature did not appear for me, and then I started reading on the internet that you have to do this, you have to do that. I tried all of those tricks, none of them worked. And then I came across this post on Reddit which gave me the solution. So the solution is there is no solution. The problem is that this feature requires Apple to index the pictures on the cloud and then it detects the duplicate pictures. So what I did was I took a few duplicate pictures. If I go into my albums over here, you will notice that I have taken a picture of the mouse. So here it is. This is the duplicate picture which I have taken, and then all you need to do is wait. No matter what trick you apply, the duplicates option will appear when it has to appear. For me personally, it took 4 days. Yes, unfortunately for me, it took 4 days for the option to appear. And once it has appeared, how do you access this? So you open your Photos application right herein. You make sure you are on the home page, go into the albums option. If you are inside any album, then you need to come out of that album, scroll down, and you will see the option of duplicates. Here it is. This is the feature of duplicates. Now surprisingly, their AI is not as good as Google, because all these pictures which you see over here, these 8 pictures were taken like a second or maybe a millisecond apart, and they're only detecting 3 of them as duplicates. Here it is, only 3 are showing up as duplicates, and you can of course select them, you can merge them, you can select all, you can deselect all, you can cancel it, you can merge it. Here it is, merge 3 items. 3 items were merged successfully, and now let us try going back to the album and see what happened. So there it is, you can see the 8 pictures are now down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they merged the 3 into 1. So we now have 6 pictures, whereas in actual, all these 6 are also duplicates of each other. So as you can see, the AI from Apple is not good enough over here. But for you to have the duplicates feature, all you have to do is take duplicate pictures and then wait. Let us try something over here. So the feature has now disappeared because they are not detecting any duplicates in my phone. Let us bring something out and take a picture of that and see if the option appears right now or not. So here it is. Let us take a picture of this Google Pixel 6. So I think I took around 6 pictures of the Google Pixel 6. Let us go into the albums, go into my albums. So here it is. You can see that we have 6 pictures of the Google Pixel 6 taken right now. And let us now go back and see if the option of duplicates is there. So as you can see, the option of duplicates is not here, and it should appear right away. That is a feature of iOS 16, but I am not sure what Apple is doing in the background, that the processing is super slow. We killed the application and the option of duplicates is still not there. So looks like for the option of duplicates to appear in your album in iOS 16, you are at the mercy of Apple.